In this video, we will discuss a very easy-to-use scalping strategy, even if you are a beginner trader. This trading strategy will only utilize 2 free indicators from TradingView. This scalping strategy can be applied to the Forex market, cryptocurrencies, or the gold market. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to and liking this channel. To use this scalping trading strategy, you can navigate to TradingView. Since we are using the BTCUSD pair as an example, set the pair to BTCUSDT. Then, set the time frame to 15 minutes. Next, go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type Smooth Heiken Ashi Candles and select Smooth Heiken Ashi Candles by jackvmk. After that, access the settings for the Smooth Heiken Ashi Candles indicator. In the Input tab, change the values for Len and Len 2 to 8, proceed to the Style tab. In the Style tab, adjust the opacity for wick and border according to your preference. Click OK to confirm the changes. The Smooth Heiken Ashi will serve as the entry points in the market. Therefore, if the color of the Smooth Heiken Ashi changes from red to green, it is a signal to place a buy order. Conversely, if the color changes from green to red, it is an indication to enter a sell position. Now, let's introduce the second indicator that will be used as a market filter. Go back to the Indicator Search tab and type Ultra RSI. Then select Ultra RSI by Donovanwall. Next, access the settings for Ultra RSI. In the Input tab, change the value for the sampling period to 50, then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove the checkmark from bar colors, click OK to confirm the changes. Now, your indicator is ready to be used. To use this scalping strategy, simply follow these steps for placing a buy and sell order. How to place a buy order: 1. If the Ultra RSI cloud is above the level of 50 or the cloud is green, it indicates a bullish trend, and your focus should be on finding the best entry point for a buy order. 2. Wait until the Smooth Heiken Ashi candles turn green. 3. Once the Smooth Heiken Ashi has turned green, ensure that the candlestick formed is a bullish candlestick. 4. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick is closed. 5. Set the stop loss at the most recent swing low. 6. Then, use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order: 1. If the Ultra RSI cloud is below the level of 50 or the cloud is red, it indicates a bearish trend, and your focus should be on finding the best entry point for a sell order. 2. Wait until the Smooth Heiken Ashi candles turn red. 3. Once the Smooth Heiken Ashi has turned red, ensure that the candlestick formed is a bearish candlestick. 4. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick is closed. 5. Set the stop loss at the most recent swing high. 6. Then, use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Important note: 1. If any of the conditions are not met, cancel the setup. Example, if Smooth Heiken Ashi signals a buy, but the formed candlestick is bearish, cancel the setup. Or if Smooth Heiken Ashi signals a buy, but the signal from Ultra RSI is still in a bearish position, cancel the setup. 2. We have conducted a small backtest on this scalping trading strategy. In 15 trials, we achieved 10 wins and 5 losses. It is advisable to use this scalping strategy with a single position, meaning, as long as there is an open position, refrain from opening a new one. Our backtest was also conducted using the single entry method. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. That concludes this video, and we'll see you in the next one.